Today, we're going to highlight a super awesome food that I found. It is the Fluval Bug Bite Beta formula in flake form. Now, the Fluval Bug Bite Beta formula is, of course, part of the Fluval Bug Bite line of foods. The beta formula is a wonderful flake food for your beta fish. I have been feeding it now for a little over a year. I think I started last summer with it. Now, the ingredients for this food are dried soldier fly larvae, salmon oil, herring meal, krill meal, shrimp meal, fish protein, dried kelp, and then various vitamin supplements and things thrown in. If you look at the analysis, the crude protein is 46%, fat is 7.5, fiber is 1.2. They also went a step further and gave you the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid count, which is 2% for omega-3 and 2.2% for omega-6 fatty acids. And then it's also one of the only foods I've ever seen with a calcium percentage on there, which has about 1.3% calcium. Calcium, of course, is a good thing for fish's internal structures, especially if you're doing live bearers, because, you know, their spines can get bent. I like that there's a calcium count on it because I personally have soft water, so knowing that I'm feeding a food with some type of calcium in it just gives me a little sense of comfort that I'm feeding my fish something that my water doesn't necessarily have. Now, of course, if you're a crazy fish food hoarder like me, then you should definitely just get this to have in your pantry. Or on the other side, if you're just someone that's keeping some betas and wants to try and add something else to their feeding regimen, definitely give this a try. It's only about $5 for the 0.68 ounce size, so it's not overly expensive. Personally, I feed this to all of my betas, but I also give it to my community tanks and my wild beta tank as well, and none of the fish have ever not, eaten it. Now, Fluval has a couple things to say about their bug bites. It says that their bug bite flakes are specifically formulated to address the natural insect-based feeding habits of fish with added vitamins, minerals, and other trace nutrients important to their health and vitality. It goes on to say, as betas predominantly feed on insects and larvae in the wild, they will greatly benefit from the rich Black Soldier Fly content, which of course is the first ingredient. This formula is also fortified with krill and shrimp for superior palatability and color enhancement. Basically, if your fish don't like the taste of the soldier fly larva, it's got that krill and shrimp in there as well to drown out the nasty bug taste. Now, bug bites are also made through a sustainable cultivation process. Basically, Fluval has a farm. They raise all these soldier fly larvae themselves. They harvest them, turn it into food for us. I would highly recommend this food for anyone with betas, or even if you're just looking for a new flake food to add into your feeding regimen. Give a little change to what you're feeding. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, remember to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried the beta bug bite flake, or if you've tried the pellet formula, or just really any of the bug bite line of foods. Let me know what you think about them. And until next time, I'll see you later.